Welcome, artists, visitors, subscribers, patrons to Monet Cafe. I'm artist Susan Jenkins. Today I'm going to be sharing a little tutorial on using UArt Dark, and we're keeping this loose and moody. Also, there will be two different versions of this particular tutorial. If you're seeing it on the Monet Cafe YouTube channel, it is the speed version. For my patrons, you will get the full version with real time, and that's how you become a patron at that link above if you'd like to do so for only $5 a month. You know, and also sometimes I forget to share that my work is available, not only originals, but prints, and I use Fine Art America, and I'd like to share with you that you guys also can use Fine Art America. It's a great way to get prints of your products. Always submit original artwork when you share work as prints and products with others, though. Okay, let's get started. Here is the photo that I'll be using, and I want to give photo credit to Sue Dobson. I believe I got this one from our Monet Cafe art group on Facebook. We have a member reference album, and members of the group submit beautiful artwork for others to use. All right, so here is where, if you're seeing it on Monet Cafe, I will speed it up a bit. And if you're seeing it on my Patreon page or our Patreon group, then you will see the real-time footage with my commentary. But don't you guys in Monet Cafe worry, I will still have commentary videos for you available at times as well. So here we go. All right, my artistic friends, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Again, if you'd like to see the full version, you can support the channel by becoming a patron on patreon.com/Susan Jenkins. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and as always, happy painting.